Ever wondered how NFTs work? How these digital assets have taken the internet by storm, creating a new wave of collectors, artists and investors? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of non-fungible tokens, or as they are more commonly known, NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a type of digital asset. But unlike your regular digital files, these aren't just any ordinary asset. They're unique, they're special, they're one of a kind. And that's where the term non-fungible comes in. It means that each NFT is distinct and cannot be replaced with something else. Think of them as digitally signed autographs of your favorite celebrity, each with its unique characteristic, making it valuable and desirable. Now you might be thinking, but wait, this is the digital world. Can't these digital files be copied or duplicated? Yes, they can. But here's the catch. While the digital file can be copied, the NFT tied to it cannot. Each NFT contains information or metadata that links it to its digital asset, and this information is stored on a blockchain. A blockchain is a type of digital ledger that's visible to everyone and can't be altered. So, when you own an NFT, it's like owning a certificate of authenticity for a digital asset that's recorded on an unchangeable digital ledger. It's this blockchain technology that gives NFTs their value and authenticity. To put it simply, owning an NFT is like owning a unique piece of art. You hold the proof of ownership and everyone can verify that it's yours, but instead of hanging on your wall, it exists in the digital realm. Now, how do you buy or sell these NFTs? Just like physical assets, they are traded on marketplaces, but not your regular e-commerce websites. These are special marketplaces dealing in blockchain assets like OpenSea Rarible or Foundation. You'll need a digital wallet, some cryptocurrency, most commonly Ether, and a keen eye for digital art, memes, or whatever tickles your fancy in the digital world. But remember, just like any market, the value of NFTs can fluctuate. A piece that's valuable today might not be tomorrow. So tread carefully, do your research, and most importantly, have fun exploring this new digital frontier. In conclusion, NFTs have opened up a new world in the digital realm, allowing us to own, buy, and sell unique digital assets. They're built on blockchain technology, ensuring their authenticity and uniqueness. And while they're a fascinating concept, they also come with their risks. So, whether you're an artist, collector, or investor, it's a thrilling, fast-paced world to be a part of. And there you have it, the world of NFTs demystified. Remember, in this digital age, knowledge is power. So keep learning, keep exploring, and who knows, you might just find yourself owning a piece of the digital future.